What's the one food that you hate the most out of everything in your entire life? What do you probably dislike the most?
My mom was she was a tough lady, is a tough lady. And what you ate, what she cooked, you ate.
Right.
Very, very, very few exceptions. And she made the exception for me on two things: Kraft dinner and liver. She would not make me eat them because I wouldn't eat them. And she knew I would eat anything, and I would not eat those two things. And so she actually gave in, as tough as she is. So I didn't have to eat Kraft dinner or liver.
Okay.
So
all right.
Well,
we're making liver today.
Ooh.
And I can guarantee that you'll like liver.
Okay.
Okay?
Well,
I'm pretty sure you're going to like this liver.
I'll give her a shot. I'll give her a shot.
So we're doing liver, bacon, and onions. European style bacon. Essentially, it's fully cooked, double smoked. But what makes this unique is it's actually a craft beer bacon. I developed this bacon for Helenda's Meats back in 2019. If you were to take regular streaky bacon, the stuff that's really stretchy and sometimes there's a lot of moisture in it, if you were to throw that straight on the grill, you're going to get big flare-ups because the fat's going to render out of it, and you'll get a little bit of crazy going on. So you'll get these flames coming up. With something like this, you still have fat that's going to render, but it's not going to render as quickly. You'll be able to crisp this up just nicely.
This is a beef liver, right?
Veal liver.
Veal liver,
actually.
okay.
Beef liver is, it's a little stronger and more pronounced in flavor, and veal liver I find to be sweeter and milder. Right. And a much nicer liver to eat.
I'm going to buy a lottery ticket tonight, Ted, if I enjoy this liver.
I'm pretty sure you're going to like this liver. So we're going to take a little bit of oil in here.
I think everyone has one of those cast iron pans, right?
Yeah.
Even I have one of those.
See that bacon starting to get nice? Throw it up top here. So what we're going to do is we're going to render it and let the fat drip right in on top of our onions for now. You want to just close the lid down, just 2-3 minutes, do a little garlic.
I love garlic.
Beautiful big clove of garlic to work with. So something that's this big you can treat like a little bit of an onion. When you smash garlic, smash it right down. You bruise the garlic, makes it bitter. But you also push all the sweetness and the juices out of the garlic. So you can buy this is Ontario garlic, Spanish garlic, Mexican garlic, there's Chinese garlic as well, but shop local.
Yeah,
so if you can get some Ontario, that's a beautiful thing. You know?
Yep.
So now we throw the onions in there. Okay, we're going to drizzle in a little touch of olive oil into that.
Yep.
So far, it's looking pretty good, isn't it?
The bacon, onions, and garlic. Yeah, that's right up my my alley.
A little bit of beer, touch of rosemary.
Can I get some of this shit?
No, get out of it. You can't touch it. It's not
like
done
I'm
yet.
telling you, I love rosemary,
good, right?
but it's
a little bit of salt.
You don't get the like this. That rosemary is unbelievable.
This is a big chunk of liver. And when I went to my local butcher, and they brought out the whole liver, and it was probably about the size of this cutting board, but more oval. And I said, give me that center cut, swatch out of the middle.
Yep.
And I asked them to peel it.
There's a membrane on the liver?
There's a membrane on it, and you can just see a little bit of that skin there, right?
Yep.
And so you want to peel that off and get rid of that. The butcher, if you go to your butcher, you say, do that. Let's go and talk about our mothers.
Okay.
So your mother took the liver and probably fried it.
Oh yeah, fried it.
Till
Lots
it was
of
dead.
Bacon. Yeah.
And it was hard, and it was like shoe
it was
leather,
freaking
right?
hard, man.
And it was thin, right?
Thin, hard, all that stuff. And if it had enough gravy and onions and bacon, you could eat it.
So we're not going to cut it thin. We're going to go like 1 inch thick, all the way along. Doesn't that look like a nice?
You can smell that. You can smell that.
That rosemary,
oh
right?
my God, it smells good. And it's lean, eh? Like there's no fat in there, is there? And it's high in iron, right?
High in iron.
Yeah.
And protein. So plump it up.
Yep.
Like that. We're just going to take a little bit of oil and just rub it into the flesh that way. Okay, into the liver like that. Take a little bit of salt and pepper.
Chef's pinch.
Chef's pinch. And you do it from up above, you get a more even surface area covered than if you do it from down below here like this.
Yep.
Okay. Remember that rosemary? Chop this. A little bit of rosemary goes a long way, so you don't need a lot of it. But then it can overpower the food. But here we're just going to use a little bit.
Yeah. So less is more here.
Remember, we've got the flavor of the rosemary also in the bacon and the onions.
Right.
Pull the rosemary out. Give this a nice stir. And you want to caramelize the onions slightly. We're on, with the lid open, we're on about medium to medium high. Give it a little bit more beer love.
Now, I wouldn't think you cooked this liver very long.
No, it's on and off. The key is, we don't want to grill that liver to well done. We want to go and shoot for that medium rare to medium doneness. Think of it like a steak.
That's what I was
all right?
thinking. Yeah.
If it's well done, it's going to be dry and not going to have the flavor that you want.
We got bacon and eggs.
Farm
Ted.
fresh eggs. Yes, dear.
I was just gonna say, I just coming over. These eggs, like the yellow yolk in them.
You look at my shirt right there. See I'm holding the chicken?
Yep.
That's Rhonda. Rhode Island red. These are eggs from Rhonda. So you're gonna put that in. Season your eggs, salt and pepper, a little parsley,
Or parsley.
and a touch of dill plus the rosemary that we had in there, okay?
This is getting more interesting, Ted.
It's kind of crazy.
It's not
isn't
just
it?
your basic liver and onions here, Ted.
No, no.
So I gotta tell you, like, why add the eggs? Like, what's the deal?
Why not?
Why not? Okay.
You're really trying to make that liver taste great.
I mean, I
just
feel like
that-
I could have this for breakfast alone. Like,
Yeah, just on that.
I'd
yeah.
throw like 2 more eggs on there and feed
And
like
it'd be ready
3
to
or
go.
4 of us.
So let's wait till those are just about done, and then we're gonna cook the liver. Because the liver is the last thing you want to do.
I am totally intrigued with this, Ted.
So we're gonna shut these two off now. You ready now for the liver?
Yep.
We've oiled the liver just slightly, seasoned it with salt, pepper, and garlic,
Yep.
and then onto the
little-
grill.
Only Ted could make me look forward to trying liver. Like, this is unbelievable. Did you get a picture of this shit here? This is unbelievable. This is not what I expected when you said liver, though. In fairness, you fooled me. You tricked me, Ted.
I tricked you.
Bastard.
You see how as you're lifting it up, it's still sticking to the grill? Lay it back
You can
down.
smell it. You can smell the liver.
Well, that's my neighbor's marijuana. It's getting that dog high.
Thank God the dog's high. It's not barking right now. Why
in
do you
there.
do that, Ted?
So we can get some sexy X marks on them. Hash
Oh,
marks.
okay. I got you.
So it looks like we know what we're doing.
Okay. Okay.
Flip it over. It won't take long. Half the time on this side as the other side.
Okay.
You like your eggs. I
Right.
like them runny.
Okay. Me too.
So
So, and you could finish this 10 different ways.
10 different ways to Sunday. We got a plate. Oh, it's me. Take a little bit of bacon and onion mixture right there, right?
Yeah.
Oh, she's still a little snotty. Oh, it's very good when she's snotty like that.
So voila.
That would be your breakfast, right?
Mm.
But see that? Pink and
That's just
juicy.
cut perfect, cooked perfectly. Yeah.
Doesn't get much better than that. Right?
You son of a bitch.
Mighty fine piece of liver, eh?
Good. That's good.
Right?
That is good. That's really good. Like, I can't believe that I just had liver and liked it. Crazy. And this, like the accompaniment, that falls onto the liver. You mix that with the liver. Holy mackerel.
You're laughing, right? Still moist and juicy and slightly pink on the inside. It's not raw so that it's gross and wiggly. It's just cooked through and it's not dry.
Well, that's perfect. So I got to believe this is going to be a cheap cut of meat, right?
It's inexpensive compared to a steak.
Yeah.
Yeah,
And
completely.
it tastes really good.
That's it.
Up, so it's like that. That looks really good.
I'm stealing that little one.
Then I'm gonna take a little bit of egg yolk with a piece of bacon.
Tune in for another crazy episode. Well, it's not that crazy. It's just you're going to learn something about barbecue. Have some fun, grilling, glazing, dipping, licking, having a tasty time. Tune in. Ted Reader, Godfather Grill. Cheers.
Good luck. My mom is a damn good cook, but I don't think she did the liver justice.
You should make this for your mom and dad.
I am. I'm going to do it for sure.